Hey guys, Rohan this side and welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start today's problem today on geeksforgeeks. It is valid comparison string. Okay, so what is the question? Special comparison mechanism can arbitrarily delete zero or more characters and replace them with the deleted character count. Okay, so what exactly given here? The first string is the normal string and normal string S, and the second T is nothing but the compressed string. Okay, so what it is, for G is there, but after G there are 7 characters that deleted from the string, and in place of this 7 characters we just put the digit 7, and again G comes, and again the 3 character deleted, and in place of that they just put a 3 and the last character appears. Okay, this is like a valid comparison string. Okay, but if it is like we have something differ than this, okay, then that is not the valid string. So we have a normal string S and the compression string T as an input, and we need to find like the compression of the normal string is valid or not. Okay, so here in this case we could see, okay, this is the valid case, but if we check this second example, okay, so DFS, okay, so for D is correct, and they deleted one F, and in place of that they just put the one, that is also correct, but at the end there is a S, so and in place of S they are just putting D, so this is not the correct. Okay, so that's why we just return the output 0. So that's what we need to find, like it is a valid or not. If it is valid, then we'll return 1, else we'll return 0. So what is the approach? What we need to check? Okay, so first we'll just take the two counters I and J, and we'll just put it like I for the S and J for the T. Okay, and if both the character are same at the same position, then we'll just increase. And if we are getting like any digit for this T, okay, then whatever the digit is, that we'll just add up that number of count into the I. Okay, and if we are adding this, then I pointer will just keep moving to this G. Okay, if we are adding, okay, let's say that first we just put it like I as 0. Okay, and at the 0 then like G is the common, then we'll just increase it by 1. Okay, at 1 it is like 7. Okay, then we'll just add that 7 into the I, then the I will be at the 8th position, and the 8th position is nothing but the G, and the same time we'll just increase 1 to the J counter for the string T, and if it is again, yeah, G is again same, then again digit, and this digit is 3. Okay, so for this 3 we'll just again add that into the I, and we'll just keep that the next 3 characters, and I will be at the end. Okay, and at the end, okay, S is the same again. Okay, then we'll just get it like I is equal to the length of S, and the J is equal to the length of T. Okay, so after satisfying all this condition, at the end if the length is matching with the counter I and J, okay, then we can say it is the valid string, else it is not. Okay, so the same I already put it in the Python code here. You can see I and J is nothing but two counter. I initialize as 0. Okay, first I need to check, okay, the J counter should be less than the length of T. Okay, if it is more, then there is a what we can say, no meaning of checking anything, we'll just return 0. Okay, if it is less than, then we'll check, okay, the first step, if both the character are same, then we'll just increase 1 1. Okay, then if we are getting any value in the T is like is digit, like it is a digit, okay, then we'll store that digit into the X. Okay, and if the J value again is less than the length of T, and the J is digit, then we'll just increase a 1 into the J, and whatever the value of X we are getting, okay, we'll just add that particular digit. Okay, but here we can say this is not the digit, this is just we can say as a character. Okay, so we are just slicing that particular character and convert that into the integer and adding that into the I. Okay, but if we are getting like the value is not same, like this E is as we can see here, this S and D, okay, value is not same, and the character of this T is not digit, then we'll just simply return 0 here. Okay, and after all these things, as I say, we are just need to check the length of s is equal to I and length of j should be equal to j. If the both the conditions satisfies, then we can say okay, this is the valid string, and then will return 1, else will return 0. Okay, so this is the solution for today's problem of the day. Let me compile it. So for this compilation, okay, the first test case satisfies fine. Let me compare it for the remaining, and all the test case satisfies fine within the time limit. So we could see that this is the solution for today's problem of the day of this valid comparison string. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.